This video tutorial is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called searchresultsquickly.com. Some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by searchresultsquickly.com, and obviously this is a browser hijacker that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Searchresultsquickly.com hijacks the default search engine settings and also the default homepage. Whenever you submit any search queries, you get the results by some other search engines not chosen by you initially. Very often you may see a lot of advertisements and sponsored links on top of these so-called search results. So in many cases these so-called search results are not really relevant. So this is all because of this hijacker in place. You need to remove it immediately. The majority of such hijackers are active through special unwanted browser extensions. So you need to clear the list of any unwanted extensions in your browser. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.